Hello, this is J. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. The course name is 23 ITT 101 Programming in C and Data Structures. The topic is Structure of a C program. So, in general, the structure of a C program gives the various sections in which we can define the program so that it is defined in a global way or else in a meaningful way. So the structure of C program consists of various different sections that is used in a programming process. So the section starting from a documentation section and ends with the sub program section. So we are having different sections like starting with the documentation section, linkage section, definition section, global declaration section, and then the main function section. And this particular main function section has two part in it. First one is local declaration part, and the second one is executable code part. And next we are having the sub program section. So in this we are defining our own sections, and by this we can define any number of functions, that is we can define n number of functions in the sub program sections. So this is an example. So after seeing the explanation, we'll come back for the example. So first one is the documentation section. So this section consists of comment lines. So we could see a slash and star inside which we could have a number of comments closed with the star and slash one. So in the documentation section, we could include any number of comment lines that makes the program, that makes the actual programmer to understand the details like the time and date of writing of the program and the particular author of the program. So this documentation section can be defined in order to mention the details of the complete details of the program. So this documentation section helps anyone to get an overview of the program. And next one is the link section. So this link section consists of the header files of the functions that are used in the program, and it provides instructions to the compiler to link functions from the library. So as we know, so all the programs, mainly in C programs, we are having different header files like hash include and stdio.h and conio.h, that is standard input output functions, and the console input output functions. So this provides instructions to the actual compiler to link the functions from the library, so which has many number of n number of functions in it. So next one is the definition function. So this includes all the symbolic constants that are written in the definition section. So it has all the symbolic constants, and macros are known as the symbolic constants. So we'll see in the example. So next one is the global declaration section. So this global variables that can be used anywhere in the program are declared in the global declaration section. So as we know, what is a global declaration is the variables can be defined anywhere in the program and it can be accessed in the particular section. So that is the global declaration. So this section also declares the user defined functions. And next one is, as we know, the main of function. So this is the necessary function that is used in all the C program. So this section consists of two parts, as we saw in the previous diagram. The first one is declaration and second one is the executable part. So the declaration part declares all the variables that are used in the executable part, and these two parts must be written between the opening and the closing of the braces. So in C programming, we end all the statements with the semicolon. So without which the statement is incomplete. So the execution of the program starts with the opening braces and ends with the closing braces. So this is all about the main of function. And finally we are having the subprogram section. So this subprogram section contains all the user defined functions that are used to perform a specific task. So these user defined functions are called in the main function. So now we'll see the example. So this is an example program that is used to find the area and the perimeter of the circle. So as we could see, the documentation section consists of the comment lines, that is starts with slash and star and ends with the star and slash. So in between we could have the details about the particular program. And next one is the linkage section that has the header files and all those functions in the linkage section. The next one is the definition section. So in this we are having hash defined p 3.145, that is the value of the pi. And next, in the global declaration function, we could add the variables. For example, like if it is in radius, area and perimeter, we are just declaring with float variable. And in main of function we are having in main of and float ap, then we are declaring all those local declaration part and executable part. And finally in the sub program section we are having the float area, that is the particular function. So we are having the two function in it. First one is area of function and next is the perimeter of function. So this can be defined under the sub program section. So this is the structure of C program that is to be used globally in all the main in all the C programs to end up with a particular result or the output. Thank you.